And now I think this save code I need to write before the plot show. Before the plot show, I need to write this code. Okay. Then put the plot show. Okay. Before the plot show, you just simply put this line of code for exporting. Okay. Now try again. What happened?
I just don't know to where it's. No. Anyway, it doesn't work.
Okay. So now it's saving again.
For me, let's say fig map with PNG, DPI, box.
So now let me check the emails. I hope now it will work. Yes. Okay.
I just don't know to where it's. Yeah, I see. All good.
Okay, so did you get this map look like that?
I exported the gray one with the DACA.
Okay, no problem. Same way, any map when you export, just apply the same things. This way, it also works, no problem. But plt.save figure, this code we need to write before the PLT show. Before the PLT show, we mention for exporting or this imagery. So export as a PNG. Suppose I need the PDF, so then put here the PDF. And now try again what happened for the PDF.
Yeah, and then it's exporting it as PDF, which is nice. Let's see.
Okay, done. So now let's check the file PDF. This one. Okay. Just open. But okay, it's working. Yeah, PDF is also more high resolution. Or when you print the map, PDF is more better. When you print, okay, the output, then PDF is more better for working. So this is the way we simply change the extension PNG, PDF, and we can easily export for any map. After completing your work, we simply export it as a JPG or PDF, this type of format.